In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the bumper on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the front side of your vehicle. Now across the top of our grille, there's going to be 4 7mm screws. Ours is missing 2 of them. Across the bottom of the grille, there should be 3 more screws, 1 here, 1 over here, and then 1 on the end. Ours are missing. Remove your grille, set that aside. On the inside of our fender liner here, on the edge of the bumper, we're going to find 3 securing plastic push pins holding these 2 together. I'm going to use a punch or a pick here, and we're going to punch out the center of these here. I'm going to use our trim tool and go ahead and pop off the top. Now you will have to source replacement buttons here. And inside the fender liner right here, you're going to find a 10mm bolt. We're going to go ahead, loosen and remove that. Go ahead and repeat for the other side. Across the bottom of our bumper here, there's going to be 3 plastic push pins going up. We're going to use our trim tool. We're going to go ahead and pop this out. The center should come out, and then get in behind the main section and it'll pop that out. So that's what it should look like. And repeat for the other 2. These are reusable. Now, if your vehicle is equipped with fog lights, you want to go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector behind our inner fender liner here. If you pull on the bumper, right here, you're going to find a plastic trim button. Use your trim tool. Go ahead and pop that off. Peel out the fender liner. And we're going to locate our fog light right here. And we're just going to lift up on a little tab here and disconnect the electrical connector. Pop that off. Go ahead and do the same for the other side. Now grab our bumper on the edge here and gently pull forward. We're going to work our way around to the passenger side while supporting the bumper. Grab the middle and pull that off. Now, if your vehicle has fog lights, you want to go ahead, loosen and remove the 10mm nuts, swap out your fog lights. Don't forget to swap over the foam bumper impact pad. When you have that off, there'll be hardware on the backside to swap over your license plate bracket. Go ahead and do so. Go ahead and line up your bumper with your lights. The bumper should slide in right underneath the header panel, underneath the lights. Go ahead and push our fender liner back here. Line this up, and we want to get that screw started in here. Now as you're tightening this here, you want to go ahead and push that bumper back so it lines up with the fender itself. Go ahead and snug that down gently. Go ahead and repeat for the other side. Now we source some replacement push pins. We want to push that through the liner and lock our button in. We're going to repeat for the other 2 here, and then over to the passenger side. On the bottom side, I'm going to install our push pins here. Good. Connect your fog light. And then install a clip for the bottom side here. Go ahead and repeat for the passenger side. Now we're going to install our grille. I'm going to line this up. Pop this into place. Now we went ahead and sourced the correct amount of screws to install our grille. Our original one was missing screws because the header panel was broken. So we're installing 4 screws across the top. Now we're snugging these down just enough to the point where the bottom of the grille is pulled in all the way. The bumper bracket on the back side, the plastic, does not have to go flush all the way to the back to the header panel itself. There's a little bit of a gap there. The grille is snug in place. Make sure it's like that all around. But if you continue to tighten this, you can risk breaking the header panel mount or cracking the grille. Once those screws bottom out, just give it a little bit more. They don't have to be super tight, you're just securing plastic into plastic.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.